In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos on Pinterest. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Pinterest on your device and sign in to your account. If you haven't created an account yet, it's a simple process. Just head over to the Pinterest website or app, click on Join, and follow the prompts to set up your profile. Once you're all signed in, you'll be ready to start uploading your beautiful images. Now, once you're on the Pinterest homepage, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll see a button that says Create. Click on that. It opens up a few options for you, but what we want to focus on is the one that says Create Pin. Just give that a click. You'll notice a new window pop up, and this is where the fun begins. You'll see an area that prompts you to either click Choose Files or just drag your image into the upload area. If you prefer to browse through your files, click on Choose Files. This will open up your File Explorer, allowing you to find the perfect photo you want to upload. Navigate through your folders, find your image, select it, and then click Open. Now, depending on your internet speed and the size of your image, it might take a moment for the photo to upload. Just be patient. It shouldn't take long. Once the photo has successfully uploaded, you'll see it displayed in the window. Now it's time to get creative. Next, you can add a title for your pin. This title is really important because it helps others understand what your photo is about and makes it easier for people to find your content. Think about using keywords or phrases that are relevant to the photo you're uploading. After you've crafted the perfect title, let's move on to the description. This is optional, but I highly recommend adding a description to your pin. It's a chance to give a bit more context about your photo. You can share a story, provide additional details, or even tips related to the subject of the image. If you have a website or a blog related to the content of your pin, you can also add a destination link. This is a great way to drive traffic to your site, as it allows others to click through directly from your pin. Make sure you paste the link in the appropriate field. Now, the next step is to choose the board where you want to save your pin. Pinterest boards are great for organizing your content, so think about which board it fits best into. If you don't have a relevant board created yet, don't worry. You can quickly create one right from this interface. Just click on the Create Board option and follow the prompts. Once you've selected or created the perfect board, you're almost ready to showcase your photograph. The last step involves clicking the Publish button. By pressing that, your pin will be live on Pinterest, ready for the world to see. And there you have it. You've just uploaded a photo to Pinterest. You can repeat this process to upload as many images as you'd like, allowing you to build a beautiful visual collection. Remember, engaging with others on Pinterest is also key, so don't forget to check out other pins, repin favorites, and interact with fellow users in the community. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Pinterest and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching.